Now attach the wire for the input and the output. So we need 5 wires. So we have to remove the insulator on the other side of the wire. We have in here. 1. Twist it. Okay. Next. Do the same. Twist it again. Until it will be complete 5. Alright, we are now 5. So what we need to do is to insert this or solder this wire towards our printed circuit board. But before we do that, we have to apply first pre-soldering. We have to pre-solder first our wire. Let's move a little in here. Okay, so this is our wire to apply solder in the upper of this. So that is what we call as pre-soldering. So soldering iron, and a little amount of solder while we can rag, wet rag or damp rag. In the absence of sponge, we have to use rag. Okay, apply solder it. This is pre-soldering the wire. This 5 wires should be pre-soldered before it should be attached towards the printed circuit board. Though the same with the other wires. Okay, the other wire as well. Yes, well as the other wire as well. Good. So we have to cut this wire a little. Just a little, and we will be cutting also the excess wire on this in the printed circuit board. Yan. And as you can see, these wires now are pre-soldered. Very nice. So let's move. This is our printed circuit board. In the input side, there must be 2 wires. So 2 wires, one should be placed in here. Okay, and should be soldered at the other side. Let's move at the other side, and that's it. As you can see, there. Okay, so clean up again the soldering tip. Wipe it on the damp rag or wet rag. Then hit the pad and the wire. Apply a little amount of solder. Just a little amount of solder. And that's it. Okay, check the other side. There must be no copper visible on the other side, so we have to pull this. Alright. That's it. Put first soldering iron on the soldering iron stand. Insert another wire on the other hole here. And then go at the other side again. Apply again the solder. Okay. Just a little, and that's it. Very quickly. And it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's got the inside. You have to cut the excess wire here and back. Do the same on the output side. You have to put 3 wires, one at the center. We can do the same. Can you see it? Alright, that's it. And now we clean up first the table soldering iron for us to produce good quality solder. Okay. Hit and apply a little solder. That's it. Just very quick. That's it. Another wire. Again, another wire here. Oops. There it goes. Little amount of solder. Oops. Alright. Add a little more. And that's it. Do the same with the other side. You look at. This is the last one. After this, we are good for testing. Ready. Clean up first the soldering tip. Okay. Add solder. Just a little one. Little more. Alright, that's good. Okay, it's already done. cut the excess wire. This is now our output side, 3 wires. Center is the ground. And this is our input. As you can see, this is our soldering output. Wow! Amazing. Dirty. At the other side, this is our control side. Thumbs up. There we go.